Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristbands on this watch. If you want to change the straps on this watch, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap there is this lever we can pull to release basically the mechanism. That's how it works. So what you need to do is to pull it towards the middle of the straps, or strap rather, and once you pull it, it will release this mechanism and you can pull out the strap. Quite simple. This is mechanism that is called quick release basically, so that's why it's so simple. You pull on the lever and the strap pops out, and how it works is basically you have two pins on each side of the strap, and if you pull on the lever it basically retracts one of the pins. Come on. Like this, the pin retracts, and once it does, it basically releases the pin from this hole on the watch. Hence, the strap is being released and you can pull it out. So let's do the same for the second one, like this, and the strap comes out. And here we have our straps and our watch. And once you get the new strap or new straps, to put them on, it's quite simple too. You simply put the end on the opposite side of the lever into a hole on the watch, like this, and then you pull on the lever to retract the pin, align it with the other hole on the other side, release it, and it will click in and it will hold the strap. Quite simple. So you put it in a hole, pull on the lever to retract the pin, and sometimes it's a bit harder to do. Then align the pin, release it, and it's gonna click in and hold, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.